Hi campers, my name is Arzan Akhtar and you are watching my channel Learn with Arzan. Today is Sunday and our timetable says that we have to study French. So what are we waiting for? Let's get started. Okay, so today we are going to talk about the topic Je m'appelle. Je m'appelle. So Je m'appelle means my name is. Okay, so over here also it is like this. So je m'appelle means my name is, or I am called. Okay, suppose I have to tell my name, je m'appelle Arzan Akhtar. My name is Arzan Akhtar, or I am called Arzan Akhtar. So as this we give our name. So our today's topic is je m'appelle. Okay, so let's see. So we are going to take certain dialogues to represent our understanding. Okay, so we are taking some dialogues and I will be explaining you, and we are going to learn from them. Okay, so our dialogue number 1. So we are taking two peoples in this, that are Louis and Mahi. Okay, so first Louis says bonjour. Okay, bonjour means good morning or hello in French. Then Mahi says bonjour. Bonjour means good morning. Okay, then Louis says je m'appelle Louis, et toi? Oh, sorry. Comment tu t'appelles? So in this sentence, Louis says, je m'appelle Louis, my name is Louis, et toi? Et toi means and you. Comment tu t'appelles? Comment tu t'appelles means what is your name? Then Mahi replies, je m'appelle Mahi. Enchanté. Enchanté. So in this sentence, Mahi says, je m'appelle Mahi, my name is Mahi, and enchanté means glad to meet you. Okay, and then Louis says enchanté. So enchanté means the same as enchanté over here, that is glad to meet you. Okay, so I hope that the dialogue 1 is clear to you all. Okay, so the dialogue which were we talking about, that was dialogue 1, was informal. Okay, so the dialogue 2 which we are going to talking about is formal. Okay, so now let's see the formal one. Okay, so now the dialogue 2. So in this we are talking about formal. So we are taking ma'am and sir. So sir is Monsieur. We can do the spelling Monsier, Monsieur, and Madame. So while addressing, I will tell you how to address later on in this video. So I will tell that how they are. So I will let you explain about it in that topic. Okay. So over here, Moses says, bonjour, bonjour. Then Madame says, bonjour. So you all know the meaning of bonjour. So let me tell you once again that bonjour means good morning. Okay. Bonjour means good morning. Then Moses says, je m'appelle Pero Lavigne. Et vous? Comment vous appelez-vous? Okay, so as I am talking about formal, so over here when sir says je m'appelle Pero Lavigne, it means my name is Pero Lavigne. Et vous? So in the informal one, I taught you that et toi means and you. But in formal, we write et toi as et vous. So et vous means and yours or you. Okay. So that means in formal we write like this, et vous. And in informal I told you comment tu t'appelles. But in informal we write like this, comment vous appelez-vous, which means what is your name or what are you called. Comment vous appelez-vous, okay? Then Madame says, je m'appelle Sophie Denim. Sophie Denim. Enchant means glad to meet you, and je m'appelle Sophie Denim means my name is Sophie Denim, and enchant means glad to meet you. And then Moses says, enchant. So enchant means glad to meet you. Okay. So our next topic is to take leave. So in this topic also we will discussing 2 dialogues. Okay, so now let's see the dialogues. So now let's call Louis and Mahi back. So now Louis is taking goodbye from Mahi. So he says, au revoir. So you can see the spelling as au revoir, but we pronounce it as au revoir. We pronounce only this word, va. Okay, au revoir. Au revoir means goodbye, and then he says, Then he says, dima. Okay, adima means see you tomorrow. Tomorrow. Okay. So then Mahi says, au revoir. Okay. Au revoir means goodbye. Okay, so dialogue 2. So this we are taking formal. So Moses, au revoir. madam. Okay, then madam says, over a bientôt. So what does a bientôt means? A bientôt means see you soon. Okay, so now let's move on to another topic. Okay, so our next topic is pour adresser, which means to address. Okay, so to address means, as I told you that I will be talking about madame after all. So there are some words. Muse is sir. We all know that muse is sir, but when in English form we write essays, then we write Mr. 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 So in like that in French we write Mr. as M dot. Okay, and then madame, Mrs. Madame is our ma'am. Okay, ma'am, or so, madame is basically our madam. Madame is the teacher, that female that is married. So madame we write like this, M-M-E dot. Then the female teacher that is not married came mademoiselle. So mademoiselle means ma'am or miss, because she is unmarried. So she is written as M-double-L-E dot. Okay, so like this we address peoples in essays. Okay, so guys, I hope you all like the video. If you all like the video, smash the like button and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you are new, and please press the bell icon to never miss an update from Learn with Arzan. So bye bye, be safe, be secure, be indoors. Over.